Hey there, this is Corey Mann, Poseidon Ponds and Landscaping. We're still in winter here in Michigan, and I wanted to take a minute here and talk about running water features and what can happen. One major issue that we have sometimes is you get an ice dam and it creates a backup and water can go outside the liner. So we want to make sure that we take care of something like that. Come on up and I'll show you here a little bit. So right down you can see where there's open water flowing. Consistently throughout the winter, you're going to see open spots get created, and as you've seen in the lower part of this water feature is wide open as well. Areas like this that are open where the ice and the water meet is where you're going to have that issue. Okay? So if I move down just a little bit here, what happens is an ice dam can get created where it falls down like this and creates a blockage, and then the water goes up over the top, okay, and that can go outside of the liner in some cases. In this one I have it well designed so that any water that might possibly flow out would get captured within the design of the stream. So we're not looking at that issue here per se, but I'll show you a little bit of a trick that we have to break up that ice dam. Alright, so one of the things that works best on water features in creating a hole and breaking up that ice dam is hot water. So many times we want to jump right to it and get a sledgehammer, a big old hammer, and break it loose. There can be a problem in a couple different cases. If you have fish, that compression, that pounding on the ice can actually blow up the eardrums in the fish and actually kill them. So that can create a problem. Using a sledgehammer on your pond, you could break rocks, you could damage the liner. It's just not really a good idea. So hot water, okay? So in this case here, you saw that I had that area of the ice dam. I'm gonna take some hot water, just like this, and I'm gonna go right at that spot where the ice dam was and melt that blockage out of that area so the water can continue to open up and flow. So that's just a little bit of a tip there for you. When you have an ice dam, it may take multiple buckets of water, but it is the safest and best way to free that up if you're running your water feature in the winter and you have an ice dam. Thank you so much. If you have more questions, 734-726-5061, or reach us at our website, www.poseidonponds.com. Thank you so much.